Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel. Fun Strawberry.
Construction vehicles. Name and sound. Mining dump truck. This is mining dump truck. Underground mining loader. This is underground mining loader. Drilling rig. This is drilling rig. Hydraulic shovel. This is hydraulic shovel. Dragline excavator. This is dragline excavator. Rock truck. This is rock truck. Bucket wheel excavator. This is bucket wheel excavator. Heavy duty dozer. This is heavy duty dozer. Tunnel boring machine. This is tunnel boring machine. Oil tanker truck. This is oil tanker truck. Flatbed truck. This is flatbed truck. Lowboy trailer. This is lowboy trailer. Heavy hauler. This is heavy hauler. Container truck. This is container truck. Logging truck. This is logging truck. Box truck. This is box truck. Car carrier truck. This is car carrier truck. Livestock transport truck. This is livestock transport truck. Tow truck. This is tow truck. Fire truck. This is fire truck. Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye, cuties.